In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the nickname for your Wells Fargo accounts. This easy process helps keep your finances organized and makes navigating through your accounts even more convenient. Let's get started and guide you through these straightforward steps. First, make sure you have the Wells Fargo app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head over to your app store and download it. Once that's done, open up the app and sign in with your credentials. It's essential to keep your login information secure, so make sure you're in a private location when entering your details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the app's main menu. This is typically represented by three horizontal lines, usually found in the top corner of your screen. Tap on the menu, and it will expand to reveal a list of options. Now that you're in the menu, find and select the Accounts option. This will take you to a page where all your Wells Fargo accounts are listed, each with their current status and balance. From there, you can easily view each account you hold with the bank. Scroll through the list and choose the account you want to update with a new nickname. Simply tap on the account to select it. This action will lead you to the account details page where further options are available. With your account details open, look for the option labeled Manage Account and give it a tap. This landing page provides various settings you can adjust, and it plays a crucial role in controlling how your account functions and appears in your app. Once you're in Manage Account, select the Edit Nickname option. Here, you will find a text field where you can enter your preferred nickname for the account. Picking a nickname is up to you, but consider choosing something that's both practical and easily recognizable, especially if you have multiple accounts. After typing in the new nickname, take a moment to review it to ensure it's exactly what you want. When you're confident with your choice, look for the Save Changes button. Tap it to confirm the new nickname. This small action will help tailor your banking experience to fit your needs better. Finally, once your changes are saved, you're done. Your account now has a fresh nickname that will reflect across your Wells Fargo app whenever you view or manage accounts. With these updated names, it becomes much simpler to keep track of your various financial activities. And there you have it. Changing your account nickname in the Wells Fargo app is quick and helps keep your digital banking organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more useful guides.